Welcome back, friends. Today we are stepping into a world where the smallest object holds the biggest story. Like a single button once lost on an old shirt becomes the heart of a new creation. A forgotten piece of fabric, a tiny leftover bead, or a piece of recycled plastic. All of it can be reborn with imagination. Together, let's explore the art of recrafting, where buttons become treasures and where every reused item carries an aesthetic soul. Think of a button simpler, circular, ordinary, but in our right hands, that bottles becomes extraordinary. We can paint it, wrap it. Yes, we are talking about bottles, old bottles. Wrap it with thread or polish it until gleams. We can turn it into a masterpiece of decoration. A bottle is more than a vessel. It holds memory. It carried water, soda, or juice, and once empty, it waits silently for a second chance. With a splash of colors, that plain glass bottle becomes a vase. With a wrap of jute rope, it transforms into rustic decor. You can decorate it with very different types of items like ceramic, plaster of Paris, or even colors. With a wrap of jute rope, it transforms into rustic decor with fairy lights tucked inside. It glows like a lantern on a quiet evening. Every reused bottle is an act of care, not just of the planet, but for sense of beauty. The reused bottle is to say, nothing ends here. Everything begins again. Recreation is about virgin. It is seeing what others overlook. Imagine painting bottles in pastel shades, mint, lavender, cream, green, and arranging them as a centerpiece. Imagine carving patterns, wrapping them with macrame threads, or turning them into holders for candles. Each bottle, once ordinary, become a sculpture piece. A touch of gold paint, antique paint can make it royal. A collage of pressed flowers sealed on glass makes it poetic. When we recreate bottles, we are not just decorating, we are creating a lifestyle, one where art and sustainability live hand in hand. Hope you like these tips and designs. Thank you for watching my video. Stay blessed.